Hi everyone. The biggest barrier to learning hardware isn't difficulty, it's fear. As slide 2 shows, hardware is unforgiving. Unlike code, you can't press undo when you smell smoke. So beginners are paralyzed by the fear of failure, destroying expensive components with one wrong wire. And worse, they face the invisible bug, wasting hours debugging code when the real issue is a physical wiring mistake. So we built GeminiCraft to solve this using Gemini 3 AI. It's an intelligent platform that holds your hand from idea to reality. We use Gemini's capabilities in 3 specific ways. The first is Vision AI Sketch. You can draw a rough idea like a box labeled fan, and Gemini interprets your intent and places the right components. And second, coding for the generic code. It instantly writes error-free C++ firmware so you don't struggle with syntax. So this is the game changer. Gemini acts as an always-on mentor. It understands your specific circuit state and warns you before you make a dangerous connection. So if you get stuck, the Help Me button gives you step-by-step instructions tailored exactly to your board. So we are using Gemini to make IoT development fearless. Let me show you the demo. Okay, so this is how our system looks like. So let's start with sketch mode. Let's say if I want to draw the LED with 2 legs and then label it as LED, click this button. It will recognize my drawing as the LED component as I drew like the LED component just now. When I click this wire mode on, I can connect the wire between the component with the SP32. Let's say if I try to connect to GPIO34, you pop out this window saying that connection blocked because the GPIO34 is input only. It also provides us the solution and recommends us the suitable GPIO pin. So let's say if I connect to 13, this one connect to ground, turn the wire mode off, I can drag the component to everywhere I want. And then let's say if I drag out this sensor, DHT22, you pop out this pro tip saying that DHT22 temp humid added. So I can turn the wire on and then connect the wire. Data to 12, VCC to win. So I can generate code. So the AI will detect what the component has on the Canva and then it will generate the code. So after that, when I click this one simulation, I can change the environment. So because the AI helps to set the threshold to 28. Let's say if I set the temperature to more than 28, the light bulb will light up. And also if I try to temperature to the hottest one, the DHT22 will change a bit to the red. And let's say if I drag to the -10, it will change to a bit blue. And then the light bulb doesn't light up. And also I can flash hardware, but the SP32 is not connecting to my PC, but it is still working. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much.